Hello everyone, let's dive into the ACASIS TBU 405 Pro Max, a 6-in-1 docking station centered around a dual-bay NVMe enclosure. This isn't just a storage solution. It's a connectivity powerhouse designed for creative professionals and anyone needing serious bandwidth. The core of this device is its dual M.2 NVMe SSD enclosure, supporting both B+ M-key and M-key SSDs. This allows for significant storage expansion and, with software RAID support, the potential for increased performance or data redundancy. The enclosure is built with an aluminum casing and features a cooling fan, crucial for maintaining optimal SSD temperatures under sustained heavy workloads. Beyond storage, the ACASIS TBU 405 Pro Max functions as a comprehensive docking station. It boasts an HDMI 2.0 port, a USB-A 3.1 port, two USB-C 40Gbps ports, and a PD 100W port. This array of ports addresses a multitude of connectivity needs, from connecting external displays to charging laptops and transferring data at blazing fast speeds. The dual monitor display capability is a major highlight. It supports up to 8K at 60 Hz for a single screen or 4K at 60 Hz for dual screens. This makes it ideal for tasks that benefit from multiple displays, such as video editing, graphic design, and software development. However, it's crucial to ensure that your computer's USB-C port supports DP Alt mode for video output to utilize this feature. Compatibility is a key consideration. The ACASIS TBU 405 Pro Max is designed for Thunderbolt 3.4 and USB 4.0 host devices. It's important to note that it is incompatible with non-Thunderbolt 3.4 devices. This means it's best suited for modern laptops and desktops equipped with these high-bandwidth ports, including M1, M2 Max, and Windows machines. The device itself feels solid and well-built, thanks to its aluminum construction. At 0.71 kilograms, it has a reassuring heft without being overly bulky. The inclusion of a cooling fan is a welcome addition, as NVMe SSDs can generate significant heat, especially under sustained use. In terms of real-world performance, the ACASIS TBU 405 Pro Max delivers on its promises. Data transfer speeds are exceptionally fast when paired with compatible SSDs and host devices. The ability to run dual displays at high resolutions is a significant advantage for productivity. The 100W power delivery is also convenient for charging laptops while using the dock. However, the requirement for Thunderbolt 3.4 or USB 4.0 compatibility is a limitation. Users with older devices or those lacking these ports will not be able to take full advantage of its capabilities. The price point may also be a barrier for some, as it's positioned as a premium solution. Overall, the ACASIS TBU 405 Pro Max is a versatile and powerful docking station that excels in both storage and connectivity. Its dual-bay NVMe enclosure, combined with its array of ports and dual monitor support, makes it a compelling option for creative professionals and power users. While its compatibility requirements and price point may not make it suitable for everyone, those who can leverage its features will find it to be a valuable addition to their workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.